Apple has officially confirmed September 9th as the date for its next major product reveal, and all eyes are on the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup. This year, Apple is expected to unveil 4 distinct models, each catering to a different type of user. iPhone 17, the standard flagship iPhone 17 Air, a slimmer, more lightweight variant iPhone 17 Pro, designed for power users, iPhone 17 Pro Max, the top-tier photography and performance beast, but just when the excitement was reaching its peak, a massive leak from China has added fuel to the fire, and it might be the most convincing one yet. Viral leak shows iPhone 17 Pro Max in action earlier today. A short video clip surfaced online, reportedly showing the iPhone 17 Pro Max in real-world use. What sets this leak apart is the source. The person holding the device is said to work directly on Apple's production line. If true, this could be our first look at a fully functional unit, not just a dummy model or concept render. The clip is already going viral across social media platforms, and tech forums are buzzing with speculation. Redesign confirmed. Edge-to-edge camera housing. One of the most talked-about rumors surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro Max has been its radical redesign, and this leak seems to confirm it. The back of the device features a massive camera housing that stretches edge to edge, a bold move that clearly positions the Pro Max as Apple's ultimate photography machine. This extended camera island isn't just for show. It signals Apple's intent to push mobile imaging to the next level, possibly with larger sensors, improved stabilization, and advanced AI-powered processing. Secondary design element: aesthetic or functional. In addition to the oversized camera module, the leaked unit also shows a secondary outlined area around the back. This subtle design cue could be Apple's way of visually balancing the bulk of the camera bump, or it might serve a functional purpose such as housing new sensors or improving grip. Either way, the design feels deliberate and refined, and it's already sparking debate online. Some fans are calling it bold and futuristic. Others feel it's excessive and breaks the clean aesthetic. Apple is known for Apple's boldest move yet. Whether this leak is 100% authentic or just a highly convincing prototype, the timing couldn't be more perfect. With the official launch just days away, this glimpse into the Pro Max's new look has intensified anticipation like never before. If the redesign is real, the iPhone 17 series could mark Apple's most daring design shift in years, especially for the Pro Max model. What to expect on September 9th? Apple's September event is traditionally one of the biggest tech showcases of the year. Alongside the iPhone 17 lineup, we may also see updates to iOS 19, Apple Watch Series 11, new AirPods, or accessories, but the spotlight will undoubtedly be on the iPhone 17 Pro Max and whether it lives up to the hype. Final thoughts: game changer or overkill? So, what do you think? Is the new Pro Max design a bold leap forward for smartphone photography and design? Or has Apple gone too far in trying to stand out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's hear your take on this potential game changer. And as always, stay tuned for more updates, breakdowns, and hands-on coverage as we count down to Apple's biggest reveal of the year.